I have never seen anything like AI. We believe entrepreneurs are heroes.
Amidst the recent AI renaissance we've seen over the past year, the e-commerce and retail industries haven't really seen any AI use cases, until now.
Okay, now I do need to sit.
Enter Shopify's new AI product, Sidekick. Are you ready to revolutionize your e-commerce game? Welcome to the future of online retail. Dropshipping, a game changer in the online retail world, has transformed the way we run stores without worrying about inventory or shipping. And now, Shopify is taking it to a whole new level with their generative AI tool, the incredible Shopify Sidekick. Today, we'll explore the power of Shopify Sidekick and how it can be your ultimate partner in managing your e-commerce store effortlessly. We'll show you how Shopify is helping their users reduce their overhead with the help of AI. But first, are you subscribed to this channel so you don't miss our AI weekly update that captures every headline that happens each week? If you're not, you should definitely do it. Now, buckle up as we uncover the fantastic features and benefits that Shopify Sidekick brings to your fingertips. It's going to be one heck of a ride. You know, dropshipping is a game changer in the online retail world. It allows you to run a store without worrying about inventory or shipping. Your supplier takes care of all of that for you. It's like being a middleman between buyer and producer, but hey, you probably already know that. Now, let's talk about the latest buzz in the e-commerce space. Shopify's AI Sidekick. Shopify's Sidekick is like having your own virtual assistant for your online store. It's part of Shopify Magic, the catch-all brand for generative AI by Shopify. The magic with Sidekick lies in its ability to understand and interpret your questions and prompts related to business decision-making. So, whether you need to set up a discount for a holiday sale or segment your customers for better marketing, Sidekick has got you covered. Now here's the really cool part. Sidekick is powered by a combination of Shopify's proprietary data and large language models, like OpenAI's ChatGPT. This architecture ensures that your data and conversations remain secure and aren't shared with any third parties. It's all about leveraging the power of AI while keeping your business information safe. With this powerful combination, Shopify Magic and Sidekick can do some amazing things for your store. Sidekick can generate blog posts for events, holidays, or business milestones, allowing you to customize the tone and even translate the content into different languages. It can even create content for your customer emails from just a few words, making it super easy to stay in touch with your audience. Let's talk about some of the cool things you can do with Sidekick. Predicting target markets and trends. Sidekick is able to sort through vast amounts of data and, based on the analytics, produce suggestions on target markets you may be missing. You can prompt it with certain questions, such as, what market is currently being underserved that could boost my sales? And based on their analytics, can make suggestions on target markets. Not sure why the sales of certain products have declined? Prompt Sidekick and ask, and it will be able to identify trends in the market and possible impacts on the types of products you are selling. Or maybe you've launched a new product, but you don't know where to price it. Ask Sidekick, at what price should I target for X product? And Sidekick will give you the optimal range of pricing based on the current supply and demand trends. Oh, and get this, Sidekick can also help you sell more. It can create banners for your shop homepage, segment your customers for better marketing, and add product collections to your shop page. It's like having a whole marketing and design team right in your pocket, managing your online business. Another incredible feature of Sidekick is its ability to give suggestions on key decisions on your online business. For example, the holidays are coming up and you want to kick off a holiday sale, but you're unsure how to execute. Prompt Sidekick with that very question, and it will make suggestions on when to kick off your sale, what products it suggests discounting, and for how long. But that's not all. Sidekick is a pro at creating discount codes. Need a back-to-school student discount? Sidekick's got your back. It will not only generate the code for you, but also send an email to your student mailing list. How awesome is that? Business reporting. Another incredible feature Sidekick includes is the ability to run diagnostics over your entire online business. It can generate reports on your top-selling products and even identify products that haven't had any sales in the last month. No more manual work for you. Sidekick takes care of it. Like we mentioned earlier, Sidekick can do some serious heavy lifting for your business. Imagine running an online store without worrying about managing inventory, creating discount codes, or analyzing sales data. With Shopify Sidekick, it's a breeze. It acts as your virtual assistant, generating discount codes, sending promotional emails, and providing valuable sales reports. You'll save time and cut down on overhead costs. But that's not all. Sidekick's AI-powered analytics offer a game-changing understanding of your customers and market. It analyzes data, segments audiences, and gives you valuable insights into buying patterns. This means tailored marketing strategies and personalized product recommendations for better customer connections and loyalty. But Shopify Sidekick is not just an AI assistant, it's a game-changing partner for e-commerce success. By harnessing the power of AI, you can streamline operations, gain valuable market insights, and enhance your sales strategies. With Shopify's Sidekick, e-commerce entrepreneurs can look forward to a future of higher profitability, improved customer relationships, and unparalleled growth opportunities. Shopify is committed to safety and accuracy. The AI features like Shopify Magic and Sidekick are designed to provide helpful content, not fake news or biased info. You can always review the content before it goes live, and rest assured, the AI won't mess with your shop's production systems. Here's what we think. Shopify Sidekick is an impressive AI assistant that brings a wealth of benefits to the e-commerce world. With its conversational nature and powerful features, it empowers even non-tech-savvy entrepreneurs to manage their online stores with ease. As a leader in the e-commerce space, Shopify's innovative approach and direction influence the future of online retail. With Sidekick's capabilities and continued advancements, we can expect a more accessible and efficient e-commerce landscape, allowing businesses to thrive and connect with their customers like never before. But while Shopify is revolutionizing the shopping world, guess who's changing how we understand the entire AI innovative landscape? Elon Musk and his recently launched XAI. We have covered all the juicy details for you in this video. You don't want to miss it.